Hello and welcome to another eMoney Peeps training tutorial video. So in today's video, what we're going to have you do is we're going to have you purchase Thrive Themes theme builder. And what this is a professional theme builder that is basically going to be your powerhouse for everything to do with you building your blog and website. Okay. It gives you options like having a email opt-in form. You can do opt-in pages. You can have standalone pages, and what the opt-in pages do. You can have collect people's names and emails, and then you can email those people after you get them onto your list. This is a really, really super site. And what this allows you to do is it allows you to look and produce content like a professional without being a professional yet. Okay. One of the things about this is you don't have to be a technological wizard. The price won't break the bank or anything of that nature. This gentleman here, Jeff Sauer, he said it's at the price point where it's affordable for anybody. So, or somebody just getting started, but it's at the level of quality where you can scale with it and you can build $1 million business off of it. So there are a lot of people online that make really, really, really good money that are using this exact thing. That's why we've chosen it for you, because this theme builder, Thrive Themes, it can do so many things for you that you could never really do by yourself. You'd have to have multiple plugins, multiple different things to do what this one thing is going to do, because this is truly, it allows you to be a one-man band. It is a powerhouse, and it's the basis on everything that we're going to be doing from here on out. So now what you're going to do is you're going to be on this page, excuse me, as pictured here, and you see this button that says Get Thrive Suite. You're going to click on that. And then you're going to scroll down, and there's going to be a video here that you can watch. It'll give you more details on Thrive Themes. You can watch that to your heart's content. If you want to pause this video that we're in right now and go watch this once you're on this site, feel free. After you're done, you can come down here, and it's a little redundant, but you can click again, Get Thrive Suite. It's going to bring you all the way down here. And what they have for options right now, they don't have a monthly option. They have two different options. They have yearly or quarterly. So yearly, it's $228, which susses out to $19 a month. If you decide to do quarterly, which is every 3 months payment, the price would be $90. Okay, so that susses out to $30 a month. Basically, what it means is this is the yearly option is about $140 cheaper than the quarterly option, but the quarterly option, the every 3 months option, allows you to pay less, but up front, but you pay more often. So the best deal is the yearly, but as I always say, do what's best for your budget and for your options, and that's totally up to you. So once you choose yearly or quarterly, you're going to go down here to this button that says Buy Thrive Suite. You're going to click on this button, and then what it's going to do is it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this, where you can buy at whatever option you want. You're going to put in your email, first name, last name, pick a password. Now, one thing I want you to remember, you are going to put in your email and password, of course, but you're going to need this later. So copy this right now, your email and your password that you enter here, and put it in a draft in your email. That way you can have it when you need to get logged in. Because Thrive Themes sends you your username, but they don't send you the password for security reasons. So be sure that you mark down your email and password and put it in a label in a folder, like we showed you in the prior videos to this. In addition to putting that in your email draft, as always, be very, very, very sure that you can put it in your notebook, like we told you. So take your email and your password, immediately put it in a draft in your email, and then you're also going to put it in your notebook, pen and paper, write it down. That way, when you need it, you're good to go. So you're going to also, you'll have it right there so it's there when you need it. Now you're going to finish putting in your address, city, state, zip code, and then you're going to click this button right here. If you have a PayPal account, you can check out with PayPal. And one other thing I wanted to tell you that I believe I forgot to mention is that you're going to, this says this purchase is for a registered business. Many of you will not be a registered business. There's a bunch of affiliates online, a lot of different people that are just in business for themselves, meaning they're a sole proprietor, meaning you're registered for business as yourself, unless you're an LLC or a corporation or an actual company or registered business. So be sure, if this is you, you can tick off this box, but the majority of you folks watching this video will not need to do that. Now, I wanted to mention also, you can check out with PayPal, and if you don't for some reason have a PayPal account, you can, once you click this button, it'll give you the option to check out as a guest using your credit card without the need to use PayPal. And once you have paid through PayPal or with your credit card as a guest, it's going to bring you to a screen that looks like this. Okay? And now what you're going to do here is you're simply going to go and you're going to download, you're going to go to your customer dashboard. You're going to click this link anyhow, and it's going to bring you to your member dashboard. And it's going to look like this. Now what you want to do is download and install Thrive Product Manager plugin. So you click that, and it's either going to populate. In some computers, it goes to the upper right. In others, like mine, it goes here in a zip file. Very important. You do not want to open this once you download it. Just let it download like it is right now, and it'll save to your computer, or download it and save it to your computer. Yeah. So no, it's downloaded and saved at this point. Then the next thing you're going to do is that you're actually going to activate this plugin on your site. So how you're going to do that is you're going to leave this here. You're going to leave this page open, the member dashboard page. Okay. And then you're going to you're going to go to known host, your known host web hosting, this, where your blog lives and where your domain name lives. You're going to go to account login. You're going to click that. And what you're going to do is go down here and it says my account. You click on that. It's going to take a minute to do its thing, and then you put in your username and password, like we had you save in your email. So if you don't have it here on your screen already, set up like this to auto-populate, go back to your email tabs, grab your known host username and password, and then simply log in. And what this is going to do is it's going to bring you to your WordPress admin area. You're going to go down here to WordPress 2 with your domain name on it, whatever domain name you chose. You're going to click on this. It'll give you the username and password, but it also gives you the option for easy login. You're going to click on that. So here's your WordPress admin area, excuse me. So now all you're going to do is you're going to scroll down, and next to your domain name, you're going to see this login button. You're going to click on login. So what that did, took it a second, but what that did is this brings you to your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. This is where we build out everything. It might look a little different because we're going to, obviously it'll be a little different once we put Thrive Themes in here. So to activate this Thrive Themes plugin, the product manager plugin that we just downloaded, you're going to be on your dashboard. You're going to go over to the left on plugins. You're going to click add new. Then you're going to go up here to where it says in big words, add plugins, and you're going to click upload plugin. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go down here and click on choose file. Once you click that button, you're going to go find Thrive Product Manager, the zip file, so it'll be in here. It'll say something to the effect of Thrive Product Manager 124 or something similar. You're going to click on that, and you're going to click open. And as you can see right here, it says Thrive Product, and it puts the word, it mushes them together, but it's here. So you know that they're uploaded. So you're going to click install now. And then what it's doing, unpacking the package, installing the plugin, and then it says plugin installed successfully. So now you're going to click activate plugin. And then you're going to see here where you can confirm that yes, it is in fact activated. Okay. And then you go down to product manager. So we're in plugins right now. So you're going to go further down. You're going to go to product manager. Once you're in product manager, you're going to click on this button right here that says log into my account. And it should automatically log you in. And once it automatically logs you in, you'll see this. If it doesn't auto log you in, it should bring you to the login. And then this is what you'll see. And this is why we need Thrive Themes, because it has all of the aspects we need for you to build a beautiful website and blog. So it has all these wonderful tools at your disposal. Because, at this point in time, you're already logged in unless you've got timed out. And worst case scenario, if you are timed out, you can just go over here to the page that looks like this. And you can get back where you need to be by you have your username and password here. And more importantly, if you followed the directions I told you earlier in this video, you have them also in your email. So wherever you want to get them. And then, like I said, you're going to log into your account. That's pretty much it. You just made it through module 1. And what we're going to be going through here in the next module is that we're going to be building out your actual website and blog. I'm going to do it in the second module of eMoney Peeps. And all you're going to do to find that second module is you're going to go here to eMoney Peeps, which you're already logged into on your main page, and you're going to go under training. And then right from here, there's module 1. You're going to scroll down and you're going to be able to see module 2. So that's it. That's that's all we got for now. Again, congratulations on completing module 1, and we'll see you in module 2 and on the next video. Bye-bye.